Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the account itself. Enter your Apple ID and password on Appleid. Apple. Com to verify they work. Once done, make sure your device uses automatic date and time. A mismatched clock often blocks authentication. Next, check Apple's system status to rule out outages. If you signed in on another device recently, sign out there first. This avoids lock conflicts. These first actions eliminate common causes fast, so you can move on to credential and device-specific fixes without wasted steps. Now perform credential recovery. Use the Forgot Apple ID or password flow to reset via email or security questions. Choose Email Reset for speed. If you have two-factor authentication, approve sign-in from a trusted device or receive the code by SMS. If not, set up 2FA for future safety. After regaining access, open Appleid settings and remove stale devices. Old sessions can cause a not-supported error. These steps renew your authorization and clear conflicts that block Apple services. To finish, sign out of your Apple ID on the device, then reboot. This clears cached tokens. After restart, sign back in and monitor error messages. If prompted, follow on-screen verification. Make sure your device runs the latest iOS or Mac OS update because older releases sometimes drop support for newer authentication. If the problem persists, gather the device serial and recent error text, then contact Apple support for escalation. One key tip: try a different network, cellular versus Wi-Fi if sign-in still.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.